Hi guys, my name is Karthik and I am from executeautomation.com, and this is my second video on unboxing a product other than automation testing. And today we are going to unbox a Dell XPS 13 2016 model with an Intel i7 Kaby Lake processor, which is just released before a month and it is right now for your disposal. And I'm going to show a unboxing of the Dell XPS 13 first time, so that you can have a sneak peek of how the Dell XPS looks like. So I'm just going to cut the box, the seal, and I'm going to show you how the box looks like. And I was pretty impressed while I just saw this for the first time, because within the box there is one more box, as you can see right here. So let me first of all show you that what are other accessories available. This is the power cable which came along with the Dell XPS box, and that's the only two available things within the cardboard box. And this back box is responsible for holding our Dell XPS laptop. And I really like this box because this box itself feels like very beautiful and compared to any laptop I have bought. And you can see that within this box you also have a protective layer of covers, like cushion, for the laptop. And finally comes our Dell XPS 13 laptop. You can see here, and it is kind of fully made of aluminum on the top. So let me just try to take our laptop from the box, and you can see that the backside of the machine is also made of fully aluminum, and it's really awesome because it feels like MacBook Pro, but it's much better than MacBook Pro as well. And you can see this is the vent for dissipating the heat from the processor. And here comes my service tag. You can see the service tag of my machine in this particular tag. So this is the Dell XPS 13, and let's quickly see by removing the cover how the Dell XPS look like. There we go. So this is the laptop, and let's quickly see what are the different kinds of port available in Dell XPS 13. This is the power area where you can charge in your machine, and this is the Thunderbolt port that you can see right here. And then this is the USB 3.0 port where you can just connect your USB, and this is the 3.5 mm jack where you can hear your musics, but the sound is really good, as I heard. And this is the button, which is kind of very interesting, because I see that if you want to verify the battery level, you can just click that. Let me just do that. There we go. You can see that you can see the level indicator of the battery that I have in my machine. So this is the total power I got for my laptop right now. Let's quickly see what we got on the other side. It has got one more USB 3.0 jack out there, and then you have an SD card slot, so you can just insert that. And there is one more lock button option there where you can just lock your machine using the dock station available. The most impressive thing about this laptop is it's very slim. As you can see that in both the sides, it's like very slim, and the laptop itself is very handy compared to any laptop which is available on the market right now. For an example, I'm comparing the Dell XPS with the Lenovo Z5070. You can see that the machine Lenovo is very bigger than compared to the Dell XPS, at least in terms of the size. The Lenovo size is like 15.6, but you can see that the whole difference between the Dell 13-inch and the 15.6 inches completely bigger than compared to this, and the reason is because the Dell XPS is bezel-less. You can understand this if I open our Dell XPS 13 laptop right now. You can see that the machine itself has got what is called as an infinity edge, and it is really cool if I switch on the machine. Inside Dell XPS, it's made of what is called as a carbon fiber material. It's very nice to the hand, and it's not fingerprint magnet, and it's really cool. And I really like the mouse trackpad. It's really good because it's rubberish, and also it's very smooth while we start using it. So I really like the whole internal part of the Dell XPS than compared to my existing Lenovo Z5070. It's really not even close to Dell XPS. Finally, it's time to turn on our machine. So I'm just going to turn on my machine, and you can see that the boot time of the Dell XPS 13 is really fast compared to the existing machines or previous machines I have used. From the time that you see the Dell logo, it will take less than 10 seconds to take you to the login of Windows 10 operating system. And you can see that right now it's booting, And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there we go. We are already in to the login of our Windows 10. And do you notice something on the screen? You don't really see any of the bezels in this screen, and that's the beauty of this machine. And this is the world's #1 or world's first machine which has no bezels on the screen. And it's turning our attention to the specification of this machine. The machine screen is made of QHD Plus display with 3200 x 1800 pixel resolution, and the machine is powered with Intel Kaby Lake i7-7500U processor. And the RAM is 16 GB, which is LPDDR3 RAM, which consumes less power, so that is great. And the hard disk area is PCIe 2.0 storage with a 512 GB capacity, which is also really good. And it has a lot of USB 3.0 port, and really there is 3.5 mm jack in this machine as well. That's very good compared to any MacBook Pro machines you got. So the final verdict is this machine is really good, and if you are trying to buy a real developer machine, I would suggest that this machine is the perfect machine for anybody. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.